Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel at Smart Fix Solution. So today I'll be showing you how I fix Infinix Hot 50i. So stay with me guys as I take you through the process. Thank you.
City lights shine through my window blind. Memories flood in with shades of blue. Moonlight paints my empty room so bright as I sit here all alone with you in mind. Nights like these bring thoughts of you. Jazz notes float through midnight air. Words unspoken hang between the stars as moonbeams guide my silent prayer. Moonlight in blue, casting shadows of you, notes falling like teardrops on ivory keys so true. Melodies speak what words can't do. In this moonlight in blue. Coffee's cold, forgotten on the shelf. Smoke trails dance in patterns through the air. Old vinyl spins our favorite tune. Time stands still when I think of us in that cafe where rain kissed the window pane. Moonlight in blue, casting shadows of you, notes falling like teardrops on ivory keys so true. Melodies speak what words can't do. In this moonlight in blue. Streets below are quiet as the dawn. Night surrenders to another day. But I remain in yesterday, where your voice still whispers in my ear and your smile still lingers in this room. Moonlight in blue, casting shadows of you, notes falling like teardrops on ivory keys so true. Melodies speak what words can't do. In this moonlight in blue.
Whispers in the wind, they call my name. Through the trees and the wild untamed. Voices soft like a lover's embrace, guiding me to a hidden place. Footsteps light like a feather's flight on the path in the moon's soft light. Ancient tales told by midnight's friend, mysteries the wind won't ever end. Whispers in the wind, they speak to me, songs of old and a melody free. In the quiet night where secrets lie. Whispers in the wind, they never die. Stars above like eyes in the sky, witness to the stories they testify. Echoes travel through valleys deep, whispers the silent promise keep. Barefoot wanderers searching the Lord, finding treasures in whispers once more. Fading echoes of a voice once near, carried on breezes only I can hear. Oh. Every gust of earth's untold, every breeze a tale of gold. Through the wind's soft serenade, ancient memories never fade. Whispers in the wind, they call my name. Through the trees and the wild untamed, voices soft like a lover's embrace, guiding me to a hidden place, guiding me to a hidden place. Every gust of verse untold, every breeze a tale of gold. Through the wind's soft serenade, ancient memories never fade. Ooh, every gust of verse untold, every breeze a tale of gold. Through the wind's soft serenade, ancient memories never fade. Woke up to a sky of gray, but my heart feels light. Gonna spin under clouds today, chase away the night. Raindrops play, it turns so fine, a rhythm in the air. Every step I take in time, free flying without care. Splashing puddles like a kid, no worries on my mind. Every drop's a secret hit in chorus that combine. Footprints left on white concrete tell a joyful tale. With every leap, every beat, we set our boat on sail. We're dancing in the rain, feel the heartbeat of the storm. In this liquid love domain, where the world feels warm. Let it pour, let it splash, free our souls, let it be. We're dancing in the rain, come and dance with me.
So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Smart Fish Solution.
Moments like these never pass.